Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another day. I am about to have some breakfast, which is going to be oats. I'm super excited. And some little dry fruit things. I think these are goji berries and cranberries and some pineapple. We're going to get going. Woohoo! Bye bye. Okay. Okay. Get the show on the road.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
What's up, y'all? I am doing a bit of a break, stopover at Hampton Downs. I'm not too far off from Auckland, but I'm just feeling that I'm bonking pretty hard right now, so I need to stop and just freaking get some food inside of me. So I have some spinach here for digestion, some potatoes, I have a tomato, I have some bananas in there. No, don't hate me, there's a lot of plastic here. Yeah, anyway. There you go. And some water. I'm gonna smash it all in and then smash it out. And I'll give you a quick. It's like a racetrack thing. I thought they'd have a cafe open because there's a petrol station up there, but it's one of those pay at the pump petrol stations. So there's literally everything. There's some people around, but yeah, nothing really here. No cafe or whatever. But it's fine because we got the foods. We're prepared and we're ready to smash out this day. Let's go.
Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again.
Hey crew, I just ended up climbing this freaking steep ass, do you see the freaking road? Steep ass road, just somewhere in the middle of, I think it's called Hanbury's Road or something in Auckland, and it's crazy steep. And since I have made it into Auckland and I'm just getting to my friend's house where I'll be staying tonight, I wanted to make a quick little video just saying that whatever you're dreaming about, whatever you want out of life, whatever your dreams and hopes and wishes are, just freaking get it done. That's what you're here for. That's what you're doing. While I was cycling into Auckland, it was just so humbling for me to realize that I rode all the way from Wellington to Auckland. This is insane, this is crazy, this is the distance I used to drive in a car and think that was a bit of a mish. And it's just freaking, it's humbling when you accomplish things, and it just blows your mind that what human body is actually capable of doing and able to do if you just push for it, if you ask for it, if you just really train your mind and make it happen. It's just it's insane, seriously. It's just so overwhelming to me right now. It's just freaking, what the hell? Oh man, it's just so worth it. Whatever you're doing, if you're not accomplishing your dreams, if you're not following your dreams, if you're not going and completing your goals and things that you're meant to do here, not following your mission, I don't know what you're doing in life, because freaking this shit is so real and so much fun and so exciting. Just get it done, man. Get this shit done. And we freaking made it. Oh my god. It's insanity. So many hills to get up here.
And I've been counting days got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and